Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on your Soundcore Life Note earbuds. So in order to do this, first make sure that both of the earbuds are inside the case and that they are charging. They don't need to be plugged into the power source, but they need to be charging. So now open your case. Here, click on both of the earbuds at the same time for at least 3 seconds, and the lights right here should flash in red and then turn white. When that happens, the hard reset is performed successfully. So now let's try that. And the flash just happened, now they turn white, and we just performed factory reset on this device. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.